Little team building, culture building exercise this morning. I got everybody to go around and take a video of one of their improvements from the past, and explain why they did the improvement. So for my improvement, I made this cart up probably a year ago now, and it was a disaster when I came back to crating. So we got it reorganized and filled back up with what needed to be there and where it's supposed to go. Everything was labeled for the most part. So yeah, it's all cleaned up. This way, when you need something off the cart, you can pull it wherever you want, and you're not stuck walking around looking for stuff. And it makes life a lot easier. I don't know why they stopped using it, but they had everything piled on there, which you had to walk all the time to get it. And that was after we had made this improvement. So keeping the rope tight, we got her set back up. Now we just have to get it so that everything stays on the cart when it's not in use. All right, thanks.
Hey guys, so before we used to have to sweep up around the table saw quite frequently. So we had made an improvement and hooked up suction to the table saw, and I made kind of like a little dust shield for all the shavings and everything to drop into on the bottom of the table saw. The dust collection system is hooked up to a power bar, so you have to turn the power bar on in order to run the table saw, which automatically turns on the dust collection. We've also went as far as hooking dust collection up to the back of the bandsaw, and it's on the same power bar, so it eliminates as much shavings and stuff like that we can get. More improvements to follow.
So here is our Craig pocket hole station, and I got tired and wanted to fix the foot pedal moving around. So what I did was I made this shoe for the foot pedal, and it's screwed to the box to the base of the table, and now when you use it, it doesn't ever move around. It's always in the same place. You don't have to reach around to the side where it usually ends up, and it just stays in the same place, so it makes life easier. Thanks.
I just wanted to give a quick video. Toolbox has been a pet peeve of mine. The whole top of this toolbox was just full of everything that's on that cart. Everything was missing out of the drawers. So I'm currently going around the shop trying to find all the missing tools and reorganize the top so we can get back to the standard that we had set. So I got another little quick improvement here that was done. This bottle full of table lubricant. You know, we cut out the wooden circle and put a magnet on it so it sticks to the table. It was just standing there and it would fall as you're feeding wood in, and it wasn't very stable. So another little quick improvement. And another improvement here we did a little while ago was just the funnel for the 5-gallon pail of table lubricant, so we're able to fill up these bottles, and it fits over the lid there, so it's quite handy.
So every time I go to grab a color thing here, well, as you can see, there's only two, and one. So there's never all three, or rarely anyways. So I'm gonna make something in this area at the S90 so there's always the three here, and I'm gonna make a note saying if you pass by with an empty cart, always leave it here, because just waste time going to look for them all the time. So I made this color coding system at the S90, that way you don't have to question which color to take to put on your next cart. You just know the correct order. It goes yellow, red, blue, green, and based on the way it is currently, I know that red has already been sent and 2 out of 3 blue carts have already been sent. So next time I finish the staves, I know just to grab the blue because it's the next one in order. And then the next sauna, I'll just grab this one, then this one, then this one. And then when anyone is passing by with an empty cart, they know to just put it in the next slot. The only improvement that I need to make on this now is just to put a sign, I think probably somewhere around here, right near it, that says to put yellow, red, blue, green. That way nobody has to question it. And yeah.
The strap for our blue bin was had this extra piece on it hanging on like that, and it was just excess and it would swing around and get in the way. So cut it off, get rid of it. Made up the chore board this morning and mistakes problem solving, so we can skip those 2 slides, but this way we can just pull it over if there are any mistakes or needing to be problem solved, and talk about it then. All right, thank you.